Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with the Reaper, your heavy metal chef, where we teach you how to cook. But got something cool for you today. We're gonna do some salmon patties. Everyone's like, ew, salmon, yeah. No. These are amazing, folks. And it's not, it won't be fishy. I promise. This is knock your socks off salmon patties, down home, tasty. All right, but we got 2 cans of salmon here. We got garlic salt, half a teaspoon of pepper, 1/4 cup of fresh parsley. All right, and we're gonna throw in 3/4 cups of breadcrumb. Let me dice up these green onions, thin sliced, guys, thin. Remember, keep your fingers in. Yeah, might as well chop up a little bit more there. Quick. 2 of them. Gunchy, he's back with us. You know, back from camp. Woohoo! Alright. Now we're going to throw in 2, about 3 tablespoons of mayo. And you know, we're going to go ahead and get about a tablespoon of lemon juice out of this lemon here, all right? There we go. We don't want the lemon seed in there. And 1 egg, just beaten lightly. You don't have to mince it up crazy like. And let's see. Let's go with a teaspoon of that awesome word that nobody could pronounce, Worcestershire. Now with this, guys, if it happens to be too dry, add more mayo. If it happens to be too wet, add more breadcrumbs. We're going to make patties out of this. Fry them up in the skillet. And we got visitors today, you know. They pop by to see us. My daughter and her lovely husband. Well, soon to be one day, and my little grandbaby, which is just a little bump in the belly, but Reaper, Grandpa, you know, I'm only 29.
That's a lot.
How about 51-ish and holding? We'll go with that. These are to die for, folks. Knock your socks off. Your socks off here. It's tasty. You're gonna like it. But you know what? I don't know. You want a little heat in there, buddy? A little heat? No heat. None at all? No crushed red pepper?
Your little heat is flaming hot.
Oh. Alright, guys. Well, we got this here. I'm gonna go ahead and get my skillet heated up. I'll be right back with you guys. Hey guys, sorry about that. Actually forgot to put my red pepper in there. I'm gonna use about a half. Red pepper is good and sweet. Since the little guy, he didn't want any heat. Finally dice that up, guys. You don't want huge chunks of peppers in there. Alright. Plus, it adds color. Makes it pretty. And tasty. Alright, so we got our skillet heating up, which I'm going to get my olive oil. And my butter, which is actually still in the refrigerator. About a tablespoon, a little more. And about a tablespoon of butter. Give this a quick mix. Get all these red peppers blended in there. Yeah, let's see how it's going to stick together, guys. Yeah, it's going to stick pretty good. That's a perfect. Don't have to add any mayo. I want these about a ½ inch thick. We're gonna give probably about 4 of these, maybe 5. These are tasty. I'd like to thank you guys again for hanging out with us. Me and Gunchy, I love you guys. You guys are awesome. Don't forget, guys, we're working on a website for our merch, but you are able to get the merch in the description. And don't forget, subscribe, smash the like button, guys. Pop. Alright, we're going to let these fry up, guys. I'll be right back with you when we get these flipped over. We want them a nice golden brown. See you in a few minutes. Alright, guys, welcome back. Hey, these are done. I'm going to go ahead and get these out of the skillet, get them plated. I was going to do some homemade tartar sauce for you guys, but I'm out of pickles. So, if you want to know how to make that, it's about 3 tablespoons of mayo, a 1/4 teaspoon of dill, chop up some green onions real fine if you want, throw in some relish or sliced pickles, mix it up, bam, add a little hot sauce. Best tartar sauce you ever have in your life. But I'll be right back, we'll get these plated. Hey guys, welcome back. Alright, got them all ready to go here. I'm just sprinkling some green onions over the top. Gonna go ahead and get them with a little bit of lemon juice as well. Alright, but there you have it. Salmon patties, guys. Best you ever gonna taste. And we'll see you guys next time. But thanks for being with the Reaper. God bless. And stay safe out there, guys. Ciao.